13 minutes. Alright. So, this is the birdhouse that we got from Dollar Tree, right?
Yeah.
Dollar Tree. And here's all the pieces. Here's a little peg that came with it. And actually, it came with a glue. So you don't have to purchase it. And for honestly, to be $1, it comes with everything. Even the string to hang it up with. So, it's really not that bad. Here are the instructions Christine and I is going to do. And that's my grandmother over there with Princess Elena. Hi. She's messing with what, all your princesses?
Yeah.
And this is our family pet Chipa. Linda. And that's my princess Linda. My little Chi-Chi. So we decided to lay it out as the directions said to, which comes with the front and the back, the four
roofs,
pieces of the roof, the two sides,
and
the hanging cord, the perch where they stand on, the base, and the eye hook, and it comes with one tube of glue. So now for the next direction, it says glue the edges of the side pieces to the front and back pieces as shown. And then add glue to the end of the perch and insert into the hole on the front piece. Alright, so we're going to do that and then we'll be back. So we're going to use a paper plate to cause no mess. Minimizes the messes, and we have to glue the sides to the side pieces of the front and the back. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to pause this and I'll be back. No, right here. Right here. Glue this one.
Glue right there?
Yeah, just put the glue on the side right there, all the way down. Glue it. So I don't know if you can see, but oops. Here goes the glue that she put on there, and we're going to have to put a little bit more on the tip because I want enough glue to where it sticks. We figured that when you lay it flat, it's easier to join them evenly. And you have to put enough glue so that way it just sticks easily. Huh, Elena? Don't mind her hairstyle. She's in her own little world. What are you doing? Let me see. What? It's upside down. What is that? Who is that? Who's that? Princess who? That's Princess you?
Rapunzel.
You are a
Here.
pretty princess. Rapunzel? Okay. Alright, so now we're going to do the other half. Okay, so now I did one side, she did the other side, and now she's going to do
The back.
the back. And you know you have to put glue on this side and that side of it. Let's see. Oh man, this looks so weird. They kind of jacked this. Oh, okay, I'm going to say they jacked this side up and it's actually this way. So you have to glue that side and that side onto this. So, and then after that, we're going to do the roof. We'll be back. She's about to do the other side. You gotta hold it in the air a little bit.
Can't see,
Go ahead.
see anything.
You're fine. Nope, you can't let it touch because if you touch it, it ooze out on the side. Alright. There you go, fill in any gaps. Squeeze a little bit more on that top part.
There's glue on the sides.
It doesn't matter, just grab it and put it to in the middle. No, don't squeeze the glue on the sides. There you go. Alright, make sure you grab the ones that are on the side, grab it with your glue, the point of the glue, yep, and there you go, push it on there. And there you go. Oh. Okay, so now we did the front, the sides, and the back, and we're going to let it sit for like 5 minutes. And the good thing about the plate is, as you can see, we can turn it without actually turning the house. So then the next move is to do
The roof pieces.
4 pieces of the top roof. The main baseboard, which is the bottom of the birdhouse. And then the peg. But we're gonna do that once it dries for 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Huh. Okay.
Yep.
We said it was gonna let it dry for like 5 minutes, and we end up letting it dry for how long, Justine?
I do not know.
I think it was like a whole freaking hour. So we are going to have lint on my sweater. So we are going to put the little perch on it. I guess that's what they call it. We're gonna glue that there, and then we're now gonna do the rooftop and then the base. And you can see it is dried solid. So we're gonna do that. Let's see if I can get this camera to record while we're doing that, so that way you can see our lovely work. Oop. There we go. Okay. So Justine, I'll do 2 and she's gonna do 2.
Come on.
Yeah, we have extra glue. She got extra glue. We have that.
Power down.
Let's see, let me see how that looks. So now she's gonna do this side. And I wonder, do you do it like that? Oh no, you probably just do it like that. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do the peg because you're gonna do the base. Or you could do the peg, don't matter. Alright, so just put glue right here. She's gonna put glue like right here, here, and here. Don't put none on top of here because it's not gonna meet up together. Alright. You have to squeeze it like from down here and just squeeze it like that. Grab it and put it closer to there. Oh, you got your hand in the way. Why is it doing it? Like every time I press down on it, it's bouncing. Like it's uneven. There it goes. Oh. Okay, there it goes. Alrighty, so just gonna let it lay on that side. Just like that. Okay. What happened?
Right here.
That's what I'm saying. It's doing that. No, I don't know why. I'll figure it out. So now, nope, I gotta leave it like that because I gotta do the bottom. I'm gonna put glue onto the bottom. But I'm gonna leave it like that so that way they can read this right here. So let's put glue. You hear Chipo snoring? Sound like she farted. There we go. So we're going to place that there. If it, I don't think it, okay. Alrighty then. So, put it like that so that way they got some place to stand on. Oh no, I did it backwards. Oh,